Hi everybody. I wanted to talk through this particular important chart, which is the S&P 500 index, and as you can see, price at the minute where my cursor is right up into the formation made back here back in September, which was the previous high. Now, as a pattern recognition trader, our job is to seek repetition, and in particular those patterns that stand out to us and the structure that makes up these patterns. Now, looking at this naked chart pretty much, other than the moving averages, I can see here that the market has been moving to a particular harmonic, which I'll just draw out for you. Make that line a bit thicker so it stands out a bit better. Okey-dokey. So if we take this simple line, just because I can see the swings, nice and easily, give or take. That's there. Give or take again. So just simply by looking at the harmonic number, you can get an idea of the swings that this particular instrument's looking to move by, and we know we're up and amongst the territory. But what stands out to me here is the development of what is a 3 drives to a top pattern. Whether or not it's going to work or not, that I'm not interested in that. The fact that the setup's here, and if you play by the rules, you win or you lose, but the odds are in your favour if you trade these patterns. So this is drive 1. I can see that. I'm experienced enough to tell that's drive 1 straight away. This infers drive 2. Naturally, you've got drive 3, however undefined yet with ratios. So we can see here that drive 1 to drive 2 is at a 144 Fibonacci extension number. And we'll now measure drive 2 to 3 where we're sitting. So at the minute we're in a real critical part of the market. We're at the 161.8% extension. We haven't actually had a close above that for a number of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We closed Sunday night above that, but it's not a real reading. Today is critical. If we close above it, it's going to be interesting. We are in the territory, I believe, where we are going to see a movement lower. This is a 3 drives pattern at its sort of maximum extension. It's either going to fail or work here. So the stops would be, if we go much higher above here, stops are going to get triggered. However, for now, we can anticipate 12 point, 15 point stop max. Take a short position here. If we also look at this 3 drives pattern, we can see that there's always that ABCD pattern present. And if we just copy this swing to there, we've got the ABCD completing at 29.24. So depends how patient you are, really. Better to be patient because you make more money. However, if you just want to have, or you have like a need to just be in it because you think the risk reward's quite good there anyhow, just take a position here. Lovely ABCD pattern. Let me just make it stand out. 1 second. That's the only nameable pattern that I have. Don't confuse this with a butterfly, because point B's exceeded what point X would be here. So yeah, 29.24 would be the ceiling for this, and you'd expect to move at least back down to 28.27. Could get interesting indeed. Okay, cheers.